Special people changing the world. They are technicians and artists. With their passion, they create new ways of iron use in the world. Steel, the source of machinery, is constantly evolving. With new technology of steel, they are making art for future agricultural machinery. Today's masterpiece in the agricultural industry. Born of steel. Branson Tractors. Innovates value of steel. Better agriculture. With the machines we've created, more productive, more convenient, much safer. Branson brings out the best of food provisions from Mother Nature. Branson produces agricultural machinery with state-of-the-art technology. Branson develops products using innovative technology with the customer's convenience in mind, producing what the customer is looking for. We are working hard for our customers, and that is the reason why we exist. Branson Tractors has been dedicated to improving the agricultural industry for the past half-century. Branson Tractors was established in 1968 and provided a foundation of growth for the agricultural mechanization in the 1970s. We have a business relationship with John Deere for Korean market. Korea's market share #1 in the 1990s for tractors and combines. OEM supply to Cummins USA for diesel engines. Branson USA established in Georgia. European Parts Center established in Germany. Branson Tractors recently received the Gold Level Prize in U.S. Dealer Satisfaction Rating. Acclaimed around the world for quality and customer service in all its aspects. Branson successfully developed Tier 4 engines with state-of-the-art facilities, vibration tester, and other advanced equipment. Branson is recognized in the global market as committed to the production of agricultural machines for customers. Branson R&D Center develops customer-oriented products by cutting-edge technology and design. Our design concept is focused to meet market needs and user convenience. With the large production line, we are supplying tractors to every corner of the world, including US, Asia, and Europe. The state-of-the-art combine does the work fast and efficiently. It is top-rated in Korea and widely recognized for excellent performance in the world. Rice transplanter has automatic functions such as harrowing and fertilizer, which fulfills perfect planting. Diesel engines ranging from 20 to 100 horsepower. US EPA Tier 4 approved. US CARB approved. European certificates approved. Branson is recognized for high-technology diesel engines in the global market. Now exporting to more than 50 countries all over the world. You can easily find our customers enjoying Branson Tractors everywhere in the world. To be a leading player, more confident, more enjoyable, and with greater pride. Branson endeavors various types of educational and cultural activities for the employees. Branson Tractors and its family defines future agriculture as passion, innovation, manpower, culture, better service. Sharing the love and charity in the society is the route to produce the best quality products.
Branson Tractors are honestly some of the most amazing things I've seen in my life. Greatest quality, well-known brand all around the world, and incredible power, and they just look amazing. So they'll get the job done every single time.
We value the importance of our customers. To protect future agriculture for our children. A new challenge to the future. Branson Tractors, born by the spirit of craftsmanship. The company, which has been with the history of Korean agriculture from 1968, will never stop pursuing the development of agriculture for future generations. Branson Tractors will knock on your doors. Branson Tractors.